गुरवे गौरचंद्राय राधिकाय तदाय कृष्णाय कृष्ण भक्ताय तद्भक्ताय. You should know that Swamiji Maharaj is here. We have requested him to come and he is here. So you should always think that he is here with us. And if anyone does kirtan, Krishna and Radha are bound to come. Nityananda Prabhu Gaurchandra is bound to come. If you will not invite him, even he will come. So, I want that we should please him. No? Our Gurudev, Gaur Nityananda Prabhu and Radha Krishna Kanvi. How can we please? How we can? If he comes and see that, oh, here, all have taken tilak, then he will be so much happy. If Trikanthi Tulsi is there, and hairs like devotees, oh, he will be very happy. And if he will see that, oh, some are neglecting me, then he may be some unhappy. So from evening class, I want to see that Prabhupada, yours, and Radha Krishna and Gaurchandra, Nityananda Prabhu are happy to see you all. We should take something to please him. We should take cloth or garments to please him. Or all activities should be to please him. So why not so very little thing? Or except we will like Vaishnava and he will be so much. So only to please him, not to please me, not to please me. I don't want. Because I am not a true devotee. I want to follow the footsteps of Swamiji, my Gurudev and all. And you should have very faith in your Gurudev. If a man is telling that I am so much faith in Gurudev, but he does not obey his Gurudev teaching. If Gurudev is telling that go to London and he go to New York in America, don't go to England and London. But he is going especially London. This is not obeying. Guru is telling then don't mix with Mayavadis. Don't mix with Karmis. Those who are only in Chaitanya Mahaprabhu lines, you should meet. So those devotees. Then disciple may tell that I am more liberal than you. I want to assemble all kinds of persons. So I must be liberal. Understand what I am telling?
Yes. Must be broad-minded. So much broad-minded.
I am broad-minded, liberal than my Gurudev. It means he is not following his all teachings. So totally we should try to follow Gurudev and serve Gurudev. Not only Gurudev, but Shiksha and Guru and Diksha Guru both. Then you have so much faith and you should serve a Brajadham, Navdeep Dham, Puri Dham, especially Brajadham. It has been also told that Navdeep is Gupta Vrindavan Huh?
Hidden Vrindavan.
Hidden Vrindavan. And Krishna Nam, Gaur Nam, Gaur Dham,
Gorkham.
and
Gorkham. Gornam, Gordam, Gorkham.
all are so merciful than Krishna Nam, Krishna Dham, Braj Dham, and all others. So we should take the ashray of Navadip Dham. Also those who are living there, who are there? Nand Jashoda in Braja. Shridam, Sudam, Vasudam, Sto Krishna, all. And all the gopis, all the cows, all. We should try to honor all. Brajvasi Jan, all those are Brajvasi. Sometimes we cannot determine that who are Brajvasi. Living there, and those who are cheaters, especially pandas. In Panda, all pandas are not like that, but almost all the pandas are cheaters. They are not Brajvasi. But those living there, like Jashoda Maiya, Nanda Baba, like friends, like gopis, in that mood they are, and always remembering Krishna, like Rupa Goswami, Raghunath Das Goswami, they are Brajvasi. Are those Vaishnavas who are in the line of Rupa Goswami, all are Brajvasi. Where there is no mood of Brajvasi, we cannot tell him that he is Brajvasi. But outwardly we will honor all, never criticizing anyone. Even plants and creepers they are transcendental. There are so many Vaishnavas of Sri Sampradaya, Ramanu Sampradaya, Nimbark Sampradaya, Madhva Sampradaya. Even though there are so many devotees of Mayavadis, don't criticize one. But those who are some favorable, you should try to honor them. In Brahmins also, those who are not one-pointed in Krishna and Radha, but even they should be honored. No? Bhagavan Nam, Hari Nam, so much faith than money. We have some faith in Hari Nam, but not like money. We have engaged ourselves, whole our energy in collecting money, that by money we can be happy, or worldly things. But he is telling that, oh mind, you should have more belief. Only you can take some things which are essential for maintaining your life. But have so much faith on Harinam that he can give all opulence in the world, all things in heaven, more things which are in Vaikuntha, moreover Dwarka and Ram, Dham, and especially Braj Prem, this Naam can give. Cheto Darpan Marjanam, Bhav Mahada, this thing. No? And mantra, what Gurudev has given mantra, name and mantra. Brahma Gayatri, Guru mantra, Guru Gayatri, Gaur mantra, Gauru Gayatri, then Krishna mantra, Gopal mantra, and Kam Gayatri, Pancha Tattva Harina. We should try to do daily without fail. We can fail in taking prasadam, no harm. We can curtail our sleeping. We can curtail our businesses, but never curtail to chant very honorably what mantra Guru has given. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu realized in very little time. He began to weep, began to roll down on the earth, and anyone told him that why you are weeping, why you are laughing, why you are dancing. He told that I don't do. But this mantra makes me like so. So if you are doing punctually, with honor, you will see that mantra will make you dance, sometimes laughing. It will make you very much mad in Krishna prema, surely. And after that, Nitya Braj ke Navain Kishore Kishori, Brajva Dvanda Sarane, have so much honor. Rati means so much affection, like bhav, rati, in Radha and Krishna conjugal, serving, always chanting, remembering. Then a fruit will come. If you are not putting any seed in earth, not giving water, not protecting from mad helpers and others, it will not sprout, it will dry. So we should try to follow all these things very quickly and do all these things. Don't forget to do regularly mantra, maha mantra, serving all, remembering all. When you are awaking from your bed, at once sit down. Don't give your feet at once to earth. You should do pranam to your Gurudev, your Param Gurudev, Pratpat Gurudev, up to Brahma, all, and then Radha Krishna conjugal, all the associates of Radha Krishna, all the pastime places of Radha Krishna, Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, all his associates, and thus do pranam to all. And after that you can keep your feet on the earth. Then take your bath and do necessary things, and again you should remember your mantra, and then worshipping, doing arati, and thus all these things. You will realize in your heart that now how much we are stronger, more than before. And your everything will be managed, life living, and everything will manage quickly. Krishna will arrange, because he has promised. What he has promised? What is Lord? Ananya chintayanto mang je jana parjupasate tesham nit abhijukta cha yoga. He has promised. So we can forget our promises, but he will never. But he sees that, oh, how he is dependent to me. So we should be fully dependent, and he will control everything. Gaur Pramana Maha Mantra.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna